Okay. So next is still part of nouns, and this is what we call the numbers of nouns. Numbers of nouns. So, dalawa lang. We have singular and plural. Pero pag binasa mo, plural. Pero it pronounced as silent A, plural. Singular and plural. Okay? Singular, this is meaning for one person only. Person, thing, etc. However, plural, this is two or more person, place, or things. Yun yun. Singular and plural. That is the gender numbers of noun. Now we have what we called genders of nouns. So for genders of nouns, we have MFN, meaning M for masculine, F for feminine, and N for imbis na neuter, neuter. Yes, neuter. Neuter. Parang R, neuter. Ganon. Masculine, feminine, and neuter. Okay? Masculine, this is for the boy or male, girl or female, and this is no gender, meaning inanimate. From the word animate, inanimate. Okay? No gender. Again, these are the genders of noun. MFN, masculine, feminine, and neuter. So, I already posted in your GC yung rules on singular going to plural, di ba? Add S for some common noun like boy, boys. Add ES if the words end with F, then X and CH. Katulad ng box, pag nag-plural, boxes. Church, pag nag-plural, churches. Add ES yon. Nouns end with O, add ES. Mango, mangoes. Okay? Nouns end with F. So, yung mga nouns na or subject na nag-end ng F, change F into V, then add ES. Example, leaf, magiging leaves. Chief, chiefs. No, chiefs. Brief, the add S lang yung mga S. Yung nouns end with F, meron yung iba kasi add S lang. Ano pa yung leaf, leaves, ano pa yung nag-end sa F? Iba pa yung add S, katulad chief, chiefs. Nouns end with Y. Change Y into I, then add ES. Family, families. Okay? Wolf, wolves. However, kapag ka Mr. and Mrs. Wolf, Mr. and Mrs. Wolf, ano yon? May magiging Mr. and Mrs. Hindi siya pwedeng maging Mr. and Mrs. Wolves kasi papalitan yung apelyido nila. Just add S lang. If the nouns end with letter F, tapos person siya, do not change F into V, then add ES. Just add S. Mr. and Mrs. Wolves lang. Yan. Oo. Basta pangalan ng tao. Next. Ano pa? We have cases of noun. Ano yung mga cases of nouns? We have PON, meaning possessive, objective, very good. and nominative. Possessive meaning, this shows ownership. Very good. Objective, use subject as direct object. And nominative, use noun as the subject predicate. Siya yung mismong subject. Okay? Yan lang yon. Any more questions? None. Very good.